Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel for free in MacBook. Okay, so if you are MacBook user, you can use Microsoft Excel for free after watching this video. Okay, there are two ways by which you can use Microsoft Excel. Okay, first is paid and second one is for free. Okay, so when I download App Store, download a Microsoft Excel from the App Store, you will see that here you will see Microsoft Excel. Okay, so when I open blank workbook, here you will see view only option, means you cannot edit anything or you cannot save any of your work. Okay, so if you want to use free version, so what you have to do, you have to just go to Google Chrome. Okay, so go to Google Chrome. So when you go to Google Chrome, here you have to just log in your Microsoft account. Okay, so I'm just going to online login microsoftonline.com. Okay, so if you have account, you can just log in. If you don't have account, you have to just click on create one. Okay, so you can create your account by your Gmail account. Okay, so I have already an account on Microsoft, so I'm just going to enter the email ID and password. Okay, then click on next. Then here you will see all the apps, Microsoft Office X apps. Okay, Word, Excel. So if you click on Excel, now click on blank workbook. Okay, so when you click on blank workbook, here you will see the option, you can edit all your things, or you can work here like this. Okay, it can also be saved, but it is not saved here. You will see here saved option, but you have to see the your work, you have to just click on this and go to OneDrive. Okay, because all the item will be saved in OneDrive. Okay, so here you will see go to Excel. So when you go to Excel, you will see all your work file. Okay, like this. So like this, you can use Microsoft Excel for free in your Mac. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.